Want to share your live location on WhatsApp for Android? It's a simple way to keep your friends and family in the loop, whether you're meeting up or just staying safe. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Well, let's get started. Now, before getting into the actual process, make sure you have given WhatsApp access to your location. Tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon, then tap the I button. Now tap on permissions. After that, go to location permissions and make sure that it's allowed. You'll need this allowed to share your location. So after making sure of this, move on to the actual process. How to share live location. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to share your location. Tap the attachment icon in the message bar. It looks like a paperclip. Now tap location. After that, tap share live location and hit continue. Now set a timer for how long you want to share your live location. You can also add a comment on why you are sending this. After finishing that, tap the green arrow button and your live location will be shared to that chat right there. And that's it. Now you know how to share live location updates on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more WhatsApp tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.